My favorite charging case. I love it a lot. It looks amazing. I love that it is very easy to charge it. And when I open it, that's how it looks. And I love that it is compatible with first generation and second generation of AirPods. And honestly, I love the design of it a lot. Very beautiful white color. I do use it already for a long time and it still looks like brand new. I trust this brand. They always have the best quality products. It was very easy to pair it with my phone using Bluetooth. It charges my AirPods very fast. I always take it with me if I go travel, if I go road trip, and I think it is a great present idea for your friends and family. I think it is must have. I do love to use my AirPods for gym, if I go to the beach, if I go run outside. So for me it is must have. I do love to have it at my house. I use it every day and the quality is amazing. It saves me so much time, so I can charge it easily and take it with me if I go to the office, if I go college. Just must have for the house. Me and my family loves to use it. We use it almost every day.